In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wise with Hubstaff in a simple and easy guide. Whether you're managing teams or using Wise for your business transactions, connecting these platforms can streamline your operations significantly, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Hubstaff website. You can do this by simply opening your preferred web browser and typing in hubstaff.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the login page where you can access your account. Now, on the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your work email and password. Ensure you use the correct credentials associated with your Hubstaff account. Once entered, simply click on the Sign In button to proceed. After logging in, you might encounter different notification pop-ups. These are typically updates or feature tips from Hubstaff, so you can choose to read them through or simply close them out to clear your screen for easier navigation. Next, look at the left side panel of your Hubstaff dashboard and click on Financials. This is where all your financial integration options are managed. Now, under the Financials section, you'll find the option to connect to Wise. If you already have a Wise account set up as a business account, you can go ahead and link it here. Otherwise, there's also the option to create a Wise account from this interface. If you're setting up a new account, make sure your Wise account is set up as a business account and enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Additionally, ensure that you have added a balance in your Wise account in your organization's currency, which is crucial for smooth transactions. With your Wise account ready, click on the Connect to Wise button or the option to create a new Wise account within Hubstaff. You'll be directed through a short setup process, which involves confirming these configurations. Once you have your Wise account set up or connected, click on Next to proceed. This will redirect you to the Wise login page to authenticate your account. Enter your Wise credentials here, and you'll be well on your way to completing the integration. Finally, from here, you'll be guided on how to connect your Wise account to Hubstaff effectively. It's a straightforward, seamless process that will allow you to manage financial transactions efficiently between the two platforms. And that covers it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Wise with Hubstaff, creating a more streamlined workflow for managing your financial tasks. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out for support. Thanks for watching, and happy connecting.